Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. As you can see, I have this package right here, and this is coming from one block down. So it's an overseas site. So let's crack this open right here. It is a Nike box right here. You got the Nike right there up top, Nike on the side, Nike in the back, Nike everywhere. These are the Nike Air Max 98 and size 10.5, and the colorway is white University Red Obsidian. So let's look at these shoes right here. Oh, wasn't expecting this. They actually also included a shirt right here, and so that's an extra. I wasn't really expecting that. So right there, that's the shirt right there, and it's in a size large. So shout out to one block down. Again, you have the white paper right there, and here are the shoes. These are the Gundam 98s. Again, from the pictures and all that, these look dope to me. These are just fresh. Again, you got the bottom right there, black. You got the air, the air unit. And this is more of a, I guess, like a nubuck material. And then you have, like, I guess, synthetic leather or leather up here. And you got like a mesh right there, mesh on the tongue. You got the Nike swoosh, a small Nike swoosh right there, and on the tongue, you'll have Air Max. But just a dope colorway in my opinion. There's Air in the back and Nike Air. So here is that right there. So again, shout out to one block down for quick shipping. Again, from overseas, they use DHL for their shipping. And again, surprised by the shirt that was included in there. Again, wasn't expecting that. So just quick look at this shoe. You guys have probably seen, a couple of them already, since they did release overseas. And I heard they're gonna release over here in the States later on, but I had to grab them. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube, peace out.